Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a blank page in Google Docs. Sometimes when you're working on a document, you might notice an extra blank page at the end or somewhere in the middle that just won't go away. Don't worry, I'll show you a few quick ways to remove it. First, open your Google Docs file. Now scroll to where that extra blank page is. The easiest way to delete it is to click anywhere on the blank page, then press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select everything, or just manually highlight it with your cursor. Now press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. That should remove any hidden spaces or page breaks causing the blank page. If that doesn't work, try this next method. Simply place your cursor at the very start of the text on the page after the blank one, and then press the Backspace key on your keyboard until the blank page disappears. Once you've done that, the blank page should be gone. And that's it. Your document is now clean and ready to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.